Welcome back. Today, I'm planning to do something new on the podcast, which is answering common questions that either I have received them from you or I've seen people asking about them online. So, moving forward, I'm encouraging you to ask me these questions so we can bring them as a topic to the podcast. We might do it once a week, and if we have a lot of questions, we might do it twice. So, as you know, there's a lot of hype in the market currently. Everyone talks that I have this, I have that, I am powered by this, I'm powered by that. Now, if I am sitting in the customer place, I have to think for a way where I can verify these claims. Now, let's start by discussing if someone comes and tell me my solution is ML powered, artificial intelligence, machine learning powered. Now, the first thing, of course, there's a hype in the market about AI, but there is a way where you can really challenge and get answers to verify if this solution is really artificial intelligence, machine learning powered or not. But it's not only about if it is really powered by these technologies. Moreover, we need to understand the holistic approach of how this artificial intelligence or machine learning has been utilized. So, number one, when someone claims that they have artificial intelligence, machine learning in their solution, the first question you should ask, okay, can you tell me a little bit more about how have you implemented AI? Give me some examples of how AI has been implemented in your solution. What is the role of AI in your solution? Right? The next one is how do you collect the data and which algorithms you apply to get the output from the data using AI or machine learning? I need to understand more. Third question you can ask, how actually you make sure that the data is accurate and you make sure that is not biased? It's a valid question. Another question that you might ask is that how you train actually this data, from where you bring it, how you process it, and how you train it. Because it's very easy to claim that I'm using machine learning, but in fact, I would be using just some functions which are very simple and they are not in any way related to AI or machine learning. So this is also a valid question. Now, another question to ask, okay, assuming you are using machine learning, artificial intelligence in your solution, data privacy is something very important. So how are you making sure that whatever data you are collecting meets the privacy and security requirements? It's a very normal question, but should be answered by whoever is saying that we are using machine learning or artificial intelligence in our solution. The last thing that you can ask is about the performance in the solution. So you might ask how machine learning or artificial intelligence is allowing us to benefit from performance perspective. Why I'm saying this? Because if someone is using machine learning, artificial intelligence, and they don't have the infrastructure that can back up the compute requirement for an AI algorithm, that means there would be a performance problem in the future. So this is really important to understand when someone claims that their solution is AI ML power, to understand a little bit more. Of course, like we can add a couple of other things also as well, like for example, how easy it is to change the algorithms later to make it more accurate. You can ask, like, is it for example, supervised or unsupervised mode? You can ask these questions to verify. Now, of course, sometimes they would not be able to answer in deep details because they might have some, not hiding, but it's more like they cannot share the full details of the technology with you, which is fine. But at least you need to make sure that whatever claims that they are saying, it's there. And the most important thing, how AI ML is helping, right? Maybe this is the first question you should ask. So again, anytime that someone comes and claims that their solution is AI ML powered, we should know how AI ML is helping us, which algorithms it's using, how the data is collected, how the data is protected, and how performance can be affected on the long run when you have larger sets of data there. Remember this. So this is the first one. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I hope you liked this new, I would say, format. If you have questions, please send them to me. We'll try to answer them here on the show. And as usual, if you have feedback, reach out to me by email, LinkedIn, or Twitter. I would be more than happy to discuss that with you. And if you are interested to become a guest on the show, you know how to reach me also as well. The same ways, email, LinkedIn, or Twitter. And if you are watching this for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you are listening on your favorite podcasting platform, don't forget also to subscribe to us. Thank you very much. And until we meet in the next episode. Bye-bye.